As a startup in tech or in video creation or in content creation, the key basic things that you need as a beginner. So you don't have to possibly rush up to buying so many gears, spending money, buying a lot and lot and lot, while you basically don't know how to use them in alignment. But basically the things that you just need to get are just few things, which is what the first one is: to get a camera. So it's either you have money to purchase a digital camera or you have money to purchase a mobile phone. But I will just recommend a mobile phone for a beginner. And what mobile phone? For the base standard, you should just get something close to the Samsung, either from the X10, from the S10, S21, and the rest, depending on what your money can get you. And where do you get that? You can get that in the market. So basically in a computer village or in a nearby shop where you can purchase it. It's either you buy a used one or a brand new. Anyone can serve. And for the second one, what you should get is a light. What do I suggest as a light? What I suggest as a light is basically a few lights, a key light, and also whatsoever light you want to get. So directly in front of me, there is a light pointing at me, and behind me you can actually see light behind me. Basically the one in front of me just gives the clearer view of me to the camera, while the one behind just makes everything look more better. So I can actually just turn on the main light and it becomes white, but I don't want to do it. So to make the video look different, that is why it is done that way. For a beginner, I would suggest you get two lights, one that points to you and one behind you for basic understanding. Then the third thing you should get is a tripod, so where you can actually just mount your device, your mobile phone or your camera, and face it to any direction where you are talking. Then the fourth one is, if you are using an iPhone, I would suggest you don't get a microphone. But if you're using an Android phone that is not Samsung, I suggest you should get a microphone. So you can go to the market and get any budget-friendly microphone. Anyone can serve. The only thing you just have to do is, once you are done recording, take your record to Adobe Podcast.ai. So that is where you can basically tune it to a good taste. Those are just the main possible things that you need as a beginner to start your content creation or your video shoot or your tech, whatever. These are just the things that I started with. Although I basically started with a mobile phone to a digital camera, then that is where we are. You can actually try all these, and if you are a beginner already and you've gotten all these, I don't know what you're waiting for. Start creating. Anyways, see you in my next tech video. Bye.